Hey, you're beautiful. What's your name? Wh-
Ivy.
You shy?
No,
You seem kind of shy.
I'm not. So
I like your pussy.
thanks.
What are you doing after this?
Uh,
You wanna come over?
no, I think I'm gonna be going home with my pussy.